Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ruth Online Vlog. It's me again, Ruth. I noticed from my previous video, a lot of you asking and wondering on how to get a Cenomar or certificate of no marriage for your foreigner fiance or boyfriend without them going personally to PSA or Philippine Statistic Office while waiting them to arrive here in the Philippines. So of course, we want all the requirements are complete when they arrive here. So because Cenomar is one of the requirements that both the Filipino and foreigner who are entering into marriage needs to submit when they apply when you apply a marriage license. But no worries, because I will share and talk about it now. By the way, for those who are not yet my subscriber, please click subscribe to support my YouTube channel, and don't forget to click the notification bell button for more video like this. So let's begin. So there are two options on how to request a Cenomar or certificate of no marriage via online delivery and PSA walk-in. So first, let's discuss the online delivery on how to do it. Let's go.
Just open the browser of your computer or phone, then in the Google search bar type psaservicelist.com.ph. Hit enter and select this one, PSA Service. Then you will see their website. Click Got It. Here you can order any PSA certificate that you needed. So for example, I want to order a Cenomar for my friend or fiance. So select Cenomar. Here you see their terms and conditions. You may read it and it will tell you the fees. So delivery within Philippines, destination 330 pesos per copy of the birth certificate, death certificate, and marriage certificate, and 430 pesos per copy of certificate for no marriage. Then foreigner requesting a delivery outside of Philippine destination is $20.30 per copy and $25.30 per copy of Cenomar. And it's no refund and cancellation policy once paid off. Processing and delivery within Metro Manila is 4 to 6 working days and additional 5 to 7 days for outside the courier standard serviceable areas. Provinces are 6 to 8 working days and there's additional 5, 7 to 10 days for outside the courier standard serviceable areas. Cenomar is valid until 6 months, so you may get like 1 month early. After you read the terms and conditions, you may select agreed and check 2 boxes. Then next, here you have to select how many copy of Cenomar and enter all your foreigner fiance information like his first name, last name, middle name, place of birth, date of birth, 6, his father's and mother's complete name. Select relationship to the owner's document. You may select others, and then delivery to agency, select no. Then the purpose, so if it's marriage, so select other and on the particular type marriage. Then we'll ask you to confirm if all your fiancé informations are correct. Then click confirm. Next screen, all information that needs to enter is for the requester. So example, myself is the requester of Cenomar of my foreign fiancé. I have to enter my complete name, email address, phone number, and delivery address where I received the documents. Make sure all the info are matched with your valid ID because the delivery person or the mailman will ask or will check it during the delivery. Then click next. Read the delivery schedules and then click confirm if all the requester details and delivery address is correct. Here's the requester summary, and you may click this blue add new request if you need other PSA certificate like yourself. If you needed your own Cenomar, you may click and fill out your information, then next. This page, you can see the reference number of the request, contact info, delivery address, and your foreigner fiance or owner's documents summary. As per the instruction, you have to print 2 copies of this page. Then click next. And you will see the payment channel options. There's a Bayad Center, over the counter, bank online, or even e-wallet. Let's say I want to pay through GCash, so you may click pay now and then proceed, then click GCash on the option, and you will route it on this page to log in your GCash account, and you have to pay 430 pesos for the Cenomar. After that, you will receive an email to confirm your order, and you may track it here with the reference number. Then wait to receive, and that's it, guys. It's very quick and easy. Number 2 option is walk in at PSA office outlet near you, but you must set up an online appointment first before going there. So first, on your browser, in the Google search bar, type appointment.psa.gov.ph and select this one. Then you will see their website. Click and follow the following steps. So step 1, choose the PSA outlet where you would like to set up an appointment. Step 2, provide the requested details. Example, I'm the one requesting for my foreigner fiance, so I type my name, email, address, and mobile number. The PSA will send a copy of your appointment sheet via email, so you will receive a verification code on the email address. Just open it and wait the code to arrive and enter it here. Step 3, select the type of PSA certificate that you would like to request. So if you are requesting for someone else like your friend or fiance, please indicate their names and your relationship to the certificate owner. Step number 4 is choose the date and time when you plan to visit your PSA outlet. Number 5, take note of the important details of the appointment. Double check that your name, email, mobile number on the screen are all accurate. It is important your name matches your ID exactly. Use your complete full name, no initials. Step 6 is you will receive a copy of your appointment slip via email. Please save the PDF file on your phone or print it out. You will need it to print the entire form, including the QR code. And of course, number 7, go to your chosen PSA outlet on the date of your appointment. Bring that appointment form with the QR code. Make sure that be at the outlet's premises on time or a few minutes earlier, and bring your own pen.
Here are the basic fees if you get directly at PSA outlet for any PSA certificate authentication, like the birth, marriage, and death is 155 pesos per copy, and for the Cenomar, 210 pesos per copy. And there might be some additional counterpart fees of the local municipality where your PSA outlet located, like in Pasig City. They have an additional $80 pesos for PSA certificate, like the birth, marriage, and death, and 100 pesos for Cenomar. Take note, guys, if you're requesting in behalf of your foreigner fiance through walk-in at PSA outlet, you need to bring your valid ID, an authorization letter from your fiance that you're allowed to request a Cenomar on their behalf, and a copy of their valid ID. And that's all, guys. Hope it can help you all, and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button for more videos tutorial. Also, feel free to comment down below if you have more questions and suggestions. I will put the link of the PSA service and the PSA online appointment on the description below, so click it if you need. So have a good one, and see you again on my next video. Thank you and bye.